Hello friends, you're most welcome to channel. So guys, in this video, I will tell I will tell you how to make a Microsoft account in a phone. If you're making a laptop or all, so it's too easy, but in phone it's hard. Let's see how we can do it. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge beta. This only works on this iPhone because I don't know why it happens. This normal Microsoft Edge doesn't download, but only I just know this. How to exit. And PPT is also coming. I'm not done PPT also. I will also upload PPT because I think so. There's PPT. I am not uploading for a big time, lot of time. So I will also upload PPT. PPT is a very easy, Microsoft Corporation. How to make a Microsoft account. This is our topic. I like dark. Next, add account. If you already have account, create write the account. But if you don't have, then wait a minute. Get a new email address. When you click, there is outlook.com. This is the best. Akarsh. Then Akarsh YouTuber. .com. Okay, yes, I just know it. Show password now. What is my password? What's mine? Yes, I just know my password. 1 second. I am checking password. Now I know my password. Okay. Next, you have to click next. First name is. Oh gosh. Wait. ठीक है. Now it's okay. I have put the birth date on all. It's a puzzle. Okay, I just know this puzzle. Then 3.6 seconds. Wow. Create accounts. It's so easy to make a Microsoft account. In phone, laptop also same thing I have to do. And same thing to rotate it. Then your Microsoft account SYNC we have to do SYNC that in Google account and all. Okay, yes, let's do it. La 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 la. Open the link. Default app. I don't want it as default. But yes, I just do it. So by this way, but if you already account had a I default said hack. I also have 3 accounts now. This is my first account. Oh. Password I don't want to do. I know my password. Oh no! It's already signed with 3 devices. Oh, I mean 2 devices. So I can't sign in.
2,000 years
No, I
later.
don't just want to create here. Iterate. Yes. The my channel with this account. No. Let it be. And this you can sign in with the phone. Make a Microsoft account, but there's a problem. Also, profile picture. Yes, profile picture. You have to go. Link given in the description. So guys, this will be open-ended. Wait a minute. Okay, sign in. Wait a minute. What was my account? Yes, I just got it.
2,000 years later.
Search outlook.com. This is only. Yeah. Keep me signed in. What's my password, guy? Gosh. Wait. And now we can cheat. What's my password there? SS.
Music.
This is only my this. No. Yes. What is this? This is only my password. Okay, now by clicking on this profile picture, I have already said, and it will come to your page. Wait a second. So it's now add a photo. Yes, allow. This is okay. Done. This is, I think so, okay for my Microsoft account. Yeah, it's okay. It's best. Yeah, it will make your photo in your up. It will appear after 24 hours. And you can also do of Xbox, Skype. What is this? I don't know, but you can do everything with Microsoft accounts. 1 second, guys. New tab I want here. Where's my new tab? New tab. New tab. So, I want a new tab. Now it's okay. And when you open, what is the website? I don't remember. Is that quizzes? I think so. This is only the website. I want to. Where is the link here? Where's the link? Yeah. Apps. I don't want an app. Website. Yes. So if you want to create a form that So you want to sign in. How to sign in? Login. Microsoft. If you don't have if you made a Google account, so it will take a time. Phone number and all. Phone number, address. Why should I have to give my address to anyone? So it's better making a Microsoft account. Sign in. Oh, I have account. I have an account. In mobile there's
2,000 years later.
in Google account there's no sign in. Sign in. Oh my God. Okay, yes. Okay, I know what is the problem. 1, 4, 2. Oh yes. This is the problem that was. And you lost my password. What's the problem? What's the problem? I think so. Microsoft don't knows my this email. So this way, and other sites you can sign in. New tab, and there's a Outlook. That's Outlook. You can sign in with your accounts. Outlook.live.com. Microsoft. Wait a second. Okay. This is my Scratch and all. And if you don't know what is a security code and what is, thank you, Microsoft account team, Microsoft account security code. So if you're it happens when you choose outlook.com account, but if you choose a normal get a free Outlook account, so don't choose I am choosing that because in laptop because it asks when you do Hostmail and Outlook, so it will normal, you have to choose your last. In this I have done my name, and it automatically put outlook.com, but in that you have to put microsoft.com or microsoftemail.com, that you can name it as your own Microsoft and all. You cannot put email. And next you can do this sign in, but it asks your address, phone number. It is better making an Outlook account. So that but Outlook account problem is Microsoft Team. One second. The problem is that your Microsoft account will disappear, or you can say get off in few days or months, few weeks. I don't know, and you will get a code. You will get a code, and then you can with the code you can fix your account. But it is too hard because the old code, when you click on fix account, the old code does not works, and there is an option of skip. So what happens if you skip? Then after a few days again it will tell to fix account. But if you choose out this account, it will ask first only code B. Then you have to not put a code after doing this problem. And the code, I will tell you a secret that I have found. I have done recently that secret that I don't know. I don't know secret. I don't think so it will work. That you should make Outlook account only if you want no problem because making an Outlook account is no problem, but to fix it there is problem. So I have done this also, that when my Microsoft account, I have made 2 accounts. So when my account asks me to fix my account, I put another account email and which is okay, which is working, and then the code comes in this another email, and I learn the code, I write anywhere the code, and then I go to my second account and I put code, and my second account is okay. And when our first account will get a problem, then you can do this in this only. So this thing I recently done to fix my both one account. One is also remaining, I think so. So guys, thanks for watching, and please make sure that you like and subscribe our channel. So guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.